So we added bits of styrofoam into our mixture. Adley did this by putting a styrofoam block in a blender and just blending it until it had small enough pieces. This made the mixture really dry and rocky. It was hard to get the rocky mixture to actually fill the whole mold. As you can see, we're just doing anything to tamp down the concrete and fill the whole mold. Ben used this tamping rod here to get all the air out and fill the ball. This was our first ball that we didn't use, but it ended up weighing 6.24 pounds, so pretty good. But we didn't think that the ball would be able to roll because it was such a dry and rocky mixture. So this is our second attempt. We changed the mixture up a bit. We added more aggregate and sand to try to smooth out the mixture. But we still needed the styrofoam to lighten the mixture. By doing this, we just put the styrofoam pellets in the middle of the ball while we were filling up the mold. This was helpful because it didn't dry out the mixture too much as we were mixing, and the concrete was able to form around the styrofoam center. So here we are, just doing the same thing as the first ball, just tamping it in, filling the form with our mixture. It was kind of harder on this one because the blue duct tape didn't allow us to see our progress. Now this is Jack sanding the ball. For some reason, he's using a PC to hold up the ball in place, but whatever works, works. Here he is spray painting it red. And here he is putting on the final touches. As you can see, it was a red Angry Bird. He did a great job. You may have seen this red Angry Bird in the Angry Birds movie right there in the middle. But he's more commonly known from the 2D phone game. Here he is in action fighting the evil piggies. Here's us in group 2 building the alley before. It's looking pretty good there. Finished product. Now here's our bowls. As you probably know, we bowled 4 strikes in a row. I got 3 on video. The ball rolled pretty straight. We thought it wouldn't because of the styrofoam center, but ended up going perfectly straight every time. In the compression test, our ball did pretty well. It wasn't the strongest in the class, but it also wasn't the weakest, so we thought it did pretty well for having a styrofoam center. Here you can see the styrofoam bits. This was after it was destroyed.